Hi guys, today I will explain how to check sell history on Binance. This process is simple and easy, and using my method, you can check the whole sell history of your crypto. So let's follow me. Open your Binance application. Once it will be open, take a look on the left top, you can see a Binance icon, click on it. And here you have to select the option More Services. And here you can see the option of buying crypto. Just click on it. In this window you can buy and sell your crypto, but in order to check the history of buy and sell, tap on this icon which is on the right top. Now if you want to check the sale history, then tap on the option sell, and here you will get all of your records. You can also select the specific date by clicking on this filter, and here you can select your date and time. Also, you can check out the successful or processing or failed history. Once you select your date here, you can select your crypto that you want to check the history. Once you select all, click on the icon Confirm, and then all the sale history of your crypto will be shown here. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.